Imagine a smartphone that combines sleek design, immense power, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in a foldable form that's redefining mobile innovation. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks on OnePlus Open 2, the highly anticipated successor to the original OnePlus Open. This is the phone that could shake up the foldable market, and we've got all the details you need to know. OnePlus entered the foldable phone market with the OnePlus Open, a device that impressed everyone with its beautiful, expansive display and camera setup that rivaled even the biggest names in the game. Now, the OnePlus Open 2 is gearing up to take that legacy further, with rumors suggesting improvements in nearly every area. According to leaks, the OnePlus Open 2 will maintain the dual-screen foldable design that made its predecessor a hit, but with refined build quality and enhanced performance. Let's explore some of the expected features that are generating all the buzz. OnePlus is expected to keep the same book-style foldable design that made the original Open so premium. However, what's different this time? Leaks suggest the OnePlus Open 2 will feature even thinner bezels, giving users more screen real estate for their multitasking and media consumption. The external cover screen is said to be slightly larger than before, ensuring that you can perform most tasks without needing to unfold the phone. The internal screen, likely AMOLED, will be sharper with an improved refresh rate, potentially 120 Hz, for smoother scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the latest powerhouse from Qualcomm. This would provide not only faster performance but also significant improvements in AI processing and efficiency, giving the phone the power to handle any task effortlessly. In terms of storage and RAM, we're expecting options ranging from 256GB to 512GB of internal storage and up to 16GB of RAM. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running heavy apps, the OnePlus Open 2 will breeze through it all without breaking a sweat. OnePlus Open 2's camera system is one of the most exciting upgrades. Leaks hint at a triple camera setup similar to the OnePlus Open but with improvements. We're expecting a primary 50MP sensor, an ultra-wide lens for sweeping landscape shots, and a periscope telephoto lens, offering amazing zoom capabilities without compromising image quality. Also likely that OnePlus will integrate advanced computational photography features, ensuring that your shots look professional, even in low light or tricky conditions. Battery life has always been crucial for foldables, and OnePlus Open 2 is expected to address this with a larger battery than its predecessor. Early reports suggest that we could see a battery capacity around 4,800 mAh or more, paired with 65W fast charging or even faster. This means the phone can be charged from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes, making it a fantastic companion for those always on the go. With OnePlus Open 2, the software experience is just as important as the hardware. Running on Oxygen OS based on Android 14, users can expect smooth multitasking, enhanced by OnePlus Foldable Optimized UI. Expect split-screen modes, seamless app transitions, and the ability to run multiple apps at once without any performance lag. Although the exact pricing hasn't been confirmed, analysts expect the OnePlus Open 2 to be priced similarly to its competitors, around the $1,500 to $1,800 mark. As for the release date, we are likely to see this phone announced in October 2024, following in the footsteps of its predecessor's October release. The OnePlus Open 2 is shaping up to be a beast of a foldable phone, and with all the expected upgrades in design, performance, and battery life, it could easily be one of the best foldables of the year. If you're looking for a smartphone that's as functional as it is futuristic, This could be the one to watch. Stay tuned as we get closer to the official release, and let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our updates on the latest tech leaks and reviews. This is Tech Explorer, your guide to the future of mobile technology.